Well, here we are at Overbury Farms, and we're back on the Farmer Jake's YouTube channel. This is Woodfield. It's a field of combining peas. This is Daytona. It's about 12 hectares, planted on the 25th of April. It's about 12 hectares, and this is following one of our cover crops. This is following a cover crop of radishes and black oats, which we actually grazed off with our sheep flock this year. Peas are looking absolutely stunning. Just to give you an idea of a little bit of the height, they're probably 2.5 feet tall. There's a fork there just going into the ground, and we've got some nice little pods that are all just starting to form on these peas now. They look very, very healthy indeed. Still lots of flowers to go, so what we really need is some sunshine. But very, very impressed with not only how these peas are established, but the condition of the soil, based on the fact that we've had almost 100 mil of rain in June, which is twice as much as our average. There's a few little broadleaf weeds just starting to get through the pre-emergence herbicide now, but the crop residue from the previous cover and the straw from the preceding wheat crop is really just starting to break down nicely. What I thought I would try and do is just dig into these peas here and just see what we can find. Really, not a very scientific sample, but what have we got here? Let's just twiddle that round a little bit. So lots of sort of crumb structure that's forming on the top, which is good. And as we open that soil up, that's coming apart really nicely. Very crumbly structure. Some nice roots here. Bit of nodulation going on. So that's the nitrogen fixing bacteria there, which will obviously be starting to fix them in for this crop, but also for the following crop as well. There's a little worm just appearing there. So yeah, falling away quite nicely. Another worm, and it's this organic layer here along the top that we want to try and improve, and we can do that. So there's some more little worms there, and there's a worm channel. So that's how these fields are able to deal with this sort of amount of rainfall. Really, they're just taking that water and absorbing it right down into the soil structure, into the soil profile there. So slightly disappointed, if I'm honest, with the amount of nodulation on there. It'd be nice to have seen a little bit more, but that could just be where we are. There's a little bit more just in there, but yeah, some nice roots. Obviously, from a root structure point of view, that was snapped off just here, but that's quite a significant bit of rooting there. So I'm very happy with these peas. Could just do with some sunshine now, really, just to help finish them off, and then get some good harvesting conditions to get them in. So see how we get on.